Why is investing so intimidating? Because it used to be just for the rich and that it seems more complicated than it really is. It used to be that you have to have a large sums of money before you can even talk to anyone about investing. But that's no longer the case. You can start now with less than $100. Will you make a ton of money with $100? Well, not as much as you would if you start with $100,000, but it's better to get started with something than to never start at all. All you need is a set of tools to get started. And I'll start with my favorite tool, which is options. Most people don't recommend starting with options because they think it's for more advanced investors, but I disagree with that. Just because it's more simple to catch a fish with your bare hands, it's much more efficient to learn how to use a fishing rod to catch a fish. It's the same thing with investing. It's more simple to learn how to buy or sell stocks, but it's more efficient and profitable to learn how to use options to buy and sell stocks. The second tool that I recommend learning before investing is paper trading. This tool will allow you to practice investing in stocks and trading options without using your real money. You don't play in the major leagues without proper training. The stock market is a major league. Get proper training before playing with the big shots so you can have a better chance of winning. The third must learn tool is fundamental analysis. This tool will allow you to distinguish an awful company from a great one. Would you invest in a company that's on the verge of bankruptcy or on a company that has more cash in hand than they will ever need? Remember that when you're buying a stock, you're buying a piece of a company. So learn how to find great companies to invest in and how to avoid bad investments. The fourth must learn tool is valuation method. You can pick a great company and still lose money if you overpay for that company. That's why it's important to learn how to figure out how much a company is worth so you will know if a company is overpriced, fairly priced, or underpriced. The goal is to buy companies on sale and not pay retail or premium prices. The fifth tool is technical analysis, which, in my humble opinion, is not as important as the other four, but it is helpful when deciding on an option strategy. This provides an overview of the price trends and the overall sentiment of the market. These are the tools that I teach to help new investors go from intimidated investors to confident and independent stock market investors. Start learning today by going to www.optionwits.com, which is also provided in the description below.